Good morning, y'all. We are finally headed to Thailand. It is very early in the morning. That's why you can see no hair, no makeup, whatever. Let's say good morning to the captain. Hey, honey.
Hi, baby.
Do you want to go to Thailand?
Let's go to Thailand.
Let's go to Thailand. I feel like I'm wearing tons of stuff, so I don't have to carry it on the plane. I'm carrying it on my body. What about you?
Little as possible.
Now I can say you can wear a lot less than that.
I have pockets.
Oh.
Typical man pockets. I got pockets.
He's got the dad shorts going on.
That's exactly right.
Dad shorts. Anyway, boarding in just a minute. Hey y'all, so it's about a day and a half later and we have finally made it to our hotel room for our first night in Bangkok. Everybody told us it was gonna be hot and you know what? Nobody lied, it is hot. So we're just gonna get showered, go to bed, and start off on our Thailand adventures tomorrow. So we'll see you then. All right, so we are waking up our first morning in Thailand. We are in Bangkok and we're getting ready to run downstairs to meet our friends Chuck and Paige with no time to be sad. Say good morning, baby.
Morning, baby.
We are so fortunate that we have friends that live in Thailand, and they have traveled Thailand extensively over the past few years. Well, one of them grew up here, and then the other one has traveled Thailand extensively over the past few years. So they know all the perfect spots to take us, and we are looking forward to going. It was the longest flight of my life, but it wasn't uncomfortable. It was just, you know, a long flight. We're off with no time to be sad.
Are you okay in that spot?
I'm happy. Are you happy?
I'm always happy. Good to see you guys.
Good to see you too.
We're excited. Okay, so it was good the whole way.
Do you like it?
It was good. See?
No. Our first hotel room. We're in Hua Hai? Hua Hin. Clearly I don't know where we are, but I like it, so it's all good. Let's go out. Got a nice little patio.
Horse down there.
What?
Right in there?
Yep. There's a horse.
Probably tapped out.
I see him.
Oh.
I'll have to follow. There's a slide.
Keep the tides out. Still coming. You ready for an AC now?
Yes. You wanna get it?
Yeah.
All right, so I've got my iced coffee. And we're working on getting rid of this jet lag. Let's go walk around, go check it out. You wanna go? You can watch Chuck on No Time to Be Sad. His video's gonna be way better anyway because he knows what he's doing with all this stuff.
We're roughing it in Thailand right now. This is a bit of a
Right? So this is what the beach looks like. I can't even talk. This is what the beach looks like in a third world country. I think I'm a third world country kind of girl.
I just brought you guys a couple of noodles. For the water.
Oh,
Ones with the little netting.
yeah. We need to get some of those to keep on the boat.
We can bring these. Yeah, we can bring yours and you can just order more later.
Well, how about I just order them and have them sent to the boat? That way you don't have to try to cross. I mean, you can cross the planet with your noodle if you want to.
Still might check. At least get your toes in the sea.
Absolutely. I can't go to the water? I can't go to the water? I was going to say, I've never had my feet in the Indian Ocean before.
This is the Gulf of Thailand.
Oh, well, then I still haven't had my toes in the Indian Ocean.
We'll be on the Indian in a couple of days.
Will you hold the camera for me, honey?
There's the dog. Look at the dog getting in the water. He's just wading on in. Yep.
So I've never had my toes in the Gulf of Thailand before. Let's go do it.
Yeah, I have little field ones before. It's too hot.
Do y'all still have your little jars of sand?
No,
Oh.
I dumped them in the yard.
Okay. I'm gonna have to take off my
It's not really clean.
tide's down, right?
Gabi is blue. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of these. This way there's a lot pretty deep.
You don't want to come? I'll take the camera.
Trying to decide when to take my shoes off.
I gotta hold my skirt up. Oh, yeah, okay. It's warm.
I've got 2 hands.
There's my foot. It's beautiful. I know, it's warm. So this water is really, really warm. Like I would say probably,
80-something degrees, right?
oh, it's 7, 88 degrees easy.
It's a little turned up. Get on the cabin side, it's crystal clear blue water.
It's cleaner than Galveston.
Sometimes it's
So those little fishing boats?
Yeah.
Looks like you can rent one right over there.
There's only when the tide comes up here in a little bit, they'll take them out and go squid fishing.
Oh.
That's the thing in Thailand, squid.
Okay.
They love that shit.
Okay.
Feels like beach. Gosh, you could bar hop
For days. Oh, I didn't even see all that.
Can we just sit and have a beer in here?
Absolutely. Yeah, one table. I think they want to eat with them.
right here. No food yet, or do you want food?
I don't. Get it. What do you think?
The bubbles are looking for what they're doing. It's good.
He's like, get the camera out of me. He's like, get that camera out of my face. I'm gonna eat some bread. So it's the end of our first full day in Thailand. We just finished a great meal. Now I'm all fat and happy, but the jet lag is real. I'm pretty sleepy, and it's only like, yeah, 7:30. So 7:30 p.m. and I am ready to shower and be down for the night. I will see y'all in the morning. Bye, y'all.